caught it. Oh! What? Hi guys! Welcome back to NICHOLE. So today I am super excited to do this video because today we are going to be cutting some of my fidget toys and adding them into some clear slime. And we are going to be seeing what kind of textures it makes with these awesome fidget toys. And before to get started onto my video, remember to give it a like, hit the notification bell so that you guys cannot miss any of my amazing videos. And follow me on Instagram and keep on subscribing, guys, please. So now let's get onto the video. So I have a lot of clear slime here, and the fidget toys we are going to be adding into the slime is we have a tomato. Wow. We have a banana. Super cute. This ball that has like something white inside it and it feels super soft. This pineapple fidget. This grape fidget. This ball that is very, very tough, very hard. And lastly, this green ball that is super, super cute. Guys, I don't know with which one to start. But I decided to do it with the stress ball. So this one, guys, I guess is going to be super hard to cut. So let's try our best. And I'm going to get a big chunk of this slime so that I can add all the pieces that I'm cutting into this clear slime. So let's start. Oh my god, this is hard. This slime, guys, is gonna turn out super awesome. We're almost done with the ball. Whoa! This is a big piece, guys. I wonder, guys, if this slime is gonna turn into tough, soft, or buttery. Or very, very fluffy. What do you guys think? I am done with the stress ball cutting it. Whoa! Oh, this feels super awesome. Look at this, guys. Whoa, it is very, very hard, guys. But it is very nice to feel. And well, the texture is a little bit hard and tough. And it's also a little bit stretchy. And I love the way it looks. Look at that. Wow. Now let's see if it can sound very delicious. Oh yes, hear that, guys? I give this slime a thumbs up because I love the texture and the way it is. So now let's get more slime and let's cut the ball. So first I need to take out a lot of slime. Whoa! Whoa! This is a lot of slime. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh, it is super soft and super stretchy. Oh, it smells very good. So guys, this ball has more slime inside. And this slime is going to be super amazing. So now let's cut the little rack. Oh my god, guys, I already took out the ball from the rack. And it feels super cool. Now, oh my god, guys, this is what I'm excited for. The part where we destroy this green ball. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Guys, this is literally slime. Wow! This looks super cool. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. This is slime. Look at this, guys. Whoa. It's like jiggly green slime. But till now, let's mix it. Look at all this. It's just super greenish. Hello guys, can you see me? Oh, that sounded super good. Let's stretch it. Look guys how it stretched. Wow! Look guys. Wow. This is super cool. Guys, we already have one from the foam ball and another one from the stress ball. So now let's get another piece of slime and now let's cut. Which one should we cut? This one. I have to cut the pink ball. Let me get piece of slime. Guys, I already got the piece of slime. Now let's cut this amazing ball. This ball inside has something white and I cannot wait to see how this slime is gonna turn out. So let's cut it. 1, 2. Oh, I think I already got it. Oh! What? Oh my gosh! This looks just like shaving cream. This is super cool. It smells kind of reed. And well, it's very soft. But now let's mix it. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is amazing. Guys, I didn't think about this slime was gonna turn out. Guys! Oh my gosh! We did it! This is coming together. So guys, the ball wasn't too exciting. Well, because it came out super sticky. So let's move on to our next one. So I lastly have these fruit. I think I want to use the grape. Hello. This is the grape. Super delicious. Okay, so now let's cut it, guys. And make sure, guys, if you do this at home, carefully, because all of the beads can probably like go. Oh! Okay, let's go on. Wow! Oh! Oh my gosh! Look at all these beads. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, so that's all. Oh my gosh. It must feel super. Oh my god. This is super comfy. Wow. So now we have to mix it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. This got all over the place. It doesn't matter. And even the Orbeez match with my shirt. Whoa! This one looks super cool. Oh my gosh. Let me get the rest of the beads. Guys, this is super cool. Let me stretch it, guys. Wow! This is amazing. Guys, the purple grape slime was my favorite of all. Because look at this. This is super soft. It looks like it's buttery. And it looks like grape and it's super stretchy. Oh my gosh. This is definitely my favorite, guys. So I got a little bit of the tough slime added to this white one. And it seems to look like it worked. Yay! Now I get to keep all of these 4 slimes. Now I am going to show you all of slimes. So the first one is this green one that got a little bit of purple Orbeez, but doesn't matter. And this one is stretchy, and it does a nice poke. And this is how it stretches. Now let's move on to the next one. This is the Bomba one. This one is a little bit tough and a little bit stretchy. This other one is my favorite one. This one is a grape purple slime that's stretchy and very soft. This other one is the ball one, the pink ball one, and it turns out that it is fixed. And it's stretchy and very, very soft. And well, these, I will be opening them in another video on my channel, guys. And also, remember to do not forget to go to my channel and to watch my other fun video that I am going to post. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, guys. Make sure to give it a like, hit the notifications bell, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you in that new amazing video. Bye.